Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV in the building. You know Crosses TV. You know Crosses TV. Hey, don't play with blood clot Crosses TV.
Who have said she don't want you call her blood clot name to keep them away the vex? Post you go like you're relevant. Who you relevant against Tuffy? Evil, wicked, liar, blood clot Tuffy. Tuffy, when you come out and tell so much blood clot like hope for? Where the pussy blood clot to make this woman and her things them? A blood clot, mad or no?
Mama, who you talking to?
Me talk to some bunch of people there, but go on in your room, go and watch a TV liquor. I soon come back on the side. I deal with them dirty blood clot germs here on this internet. Which one I uno can come between me and gangster? Anything gangster, all you miss enough blood clot Anto. Pussy me come for the whole of no blood clot. Anto with the blood clot they are England and busy now. And I come talk about hope I tell blood clot. Like, bitch, where you know what blood clot from? When you know this woman blood clot from one of from half our platform. Pussy the things here so we think work. When the mama blood clot and you can't say hopes about with blood clot. The woman can't chat anything about the whole because her thing up. When you have your money and your things them, you talk any blood clot thing. So unto all you are back dirty foot blood clot Tuffy. Pussy Tuffy in my category. Tuffy not relevant to blood clot we. A US dollar with blood clot spend Tuffy. This beggar's blood clot might. Pussy number one. Who up deal with your blood clot like somebody? Pussy me never want deal with you like nobody. Dirty foot ugly blood clot Tuffy. Tuffy, you think you can come mix up me and my blood clot friend them? But who blood clot say pussy? Who give you the blood clot authority? Out of your mouth. If you come and who talk blood clot Tuffy. Tuffy, you can't overtalk my friend gangster blood clot Dan. But me and Dan not take tea. And Dan if you come on internet. When me a go through in my love life with the dirty blood clot man. Me have to drop my friend out of it. I want to feel like every day people must wake up and live them kind of life, yeah? Big pussy suck cocky diary. All you are doing now, I suck some boneless blood clot baby out of man, you know. A cocky in a fool no blood clot mouth, you know. Diary, you know, make no sense. My life make sense and me have to deal with it blood clot. Big thinking Tuffy. You check say, you could have did a blood clot deal with hope. And I deal with my enemy Kim Pussy. You know, sister, hope a good blood clot, girl, enough time hope, run away. All you do a care news from one side. Tuffy me not like if Freddy comfy Tanya, you know some rush like pit blood clot bowl. Tuffy member, Tuffy, when Dan gave me number, me call you. I you call me, ask Dan how I go on. Me say, gangster, oh, if you get Tuffy my number, you ask me that first. Tuffy, we ain't a blood clot friend. We are big woman. Me a grandmother. Now come mix up my big top blood clot friend them name. Post it hope dog a live better your blood clot. Where the blood clot me could have make two woman go find herself a Costa blood clot Rika. It hurt the whole on her head. So no really no want to see people that live good in America have blood clot not now we there a long time. You know you say with the mash up America we have built it blood clot back. The whole on go like Tuffy a blood clot somebody. Big thinking ugly blood clot Tuffy. Pussy member say you give me diary blood clot. Mother picture every blood clot. And you come on live last night. I come big up your blood clot. Me no want you big me up. Me ain't in a category. Yeah, my friend open down then in a blood clot category. Watermouth blood clot liar girl. You can't say I to them, I know. Them not better say I to. Me say I for them when I call in more blood clot people. Tuffy, you me blood clot come from. You have a bad blood clot habit. The woman say go and tell blood clot in them lie. Say she want fear and blood clot black car. The woman say me call her name and you vex. Move your beggy blood clot. Move your pussy blood clot. Sufferers heights blood clot. Move your hungry belly beggy blood clot. You favor watermouth blood clot lizard. Pussy where they are Jamaica watch hope them and them things for. Pussy a US dollar with blood clot spend daily. Make we borrow from we one another to blood clot. Oh, you be a yard and beg it out. You know, feel like so we have pitney here to want help and want things to pussy. Oh, you ever send back some ackee come give bitch? Yeah, the whole honor come go and I couldn't want to get Tuffy blood clot stripe. Pussy tough enough to come pan alive with me. I'm a top ranking blood clot friend them. And a long time I tell Dan that. And you come make Tuffy now come go like she can in an argument with you bumbo clot Dan. And I make your mouth like it want tie up. Which blood clot story Tuffy attack where? No go blood clot straight and I go lean gangster. Which bomber clot story Tuffy could attack? Well, you not feel like say it got blood clot straight or lean. Yeah, come and think. What the fuck if you think about? What if you think about? More than me just change my blood clot number from Bobby, from everybody, till me feel to get back to who me want blood clot get back to. Me want bigger man. Where the fuck me and Dan could a blood clot have? More than me no want the man to tell her no news for blood clot. Give me. Me say me done with the man. I'ma have a friend where I get caught up in the blood clot me go. Oh, the mama blood clot, this water more dirty foot blood clot Tuffy. I come tell life and hope. And I call me blood clot name. Pussy not tell no life and the woman. Tuffy remember when you come and beg on a blood clot car, pussy blood clot news, you know. Me say you sound like a dog. We have a blood clot, sorry for you. I'm sorry, hope, sorry for you, bitch. Pussy me not bite the hand them with blood clot feed me. He's an evil, dirty blood clot. I yet wake up every day. I looking at blood clot murka for murka people, them blood clot mine ya. Bitch, you know so long, me not answer me blood clot phone to your Tuffy. Can me give you 150 blood clot, US blood clot dollar. You run come to your to King give you some money. Pussy Kim and a Jamaican King blood clot, sorry for you. And you run from one blood clot friend for the next. Me tell Hope said that couldn't blood clot reach me. Cause anybody when me and them go down certain road, go down certain blood clot road, we not come back up that. We not only can't live to see me a gangster down no blood clot road. No time at all. Pussy me and take care of my business, dirty old blood clot. Water drop down blood clot old diary. You brighter come go like say you can't friend me upon live. For come talk my business to Uno. Eh? Pussy in my friend them blood clot category. If me want bleach, me and my friend them start bleaching in a 85 in America. When vet no vet. Me bleach and stop when me want bleach. Me a rub off age off of me blood clot face, yes? Walk me to that. The whole on come and watch out blood clot Hope. Oh, Hope could have come get some blood clot relevant. We are opening on an Instagram blood clot thing. So go to your room. Get up and go to your room. Get up and go to your room. Get up and 1 minute the people. Yeah. Tuffy come and load up her mouth. Who is blood clot Kim? You think me know and Kim know say me and blood clot hope could have friend? I make dirty Tuffy come tell me things about me long time friend. When me and my friend used to go at the whole heap of long time good blood clot things. You can't do me that. No, you can't do me that. Me a Capricorn every time I stay to my blood clot self. Dan knows every time she call me, she not get me. Why the big pussy blood clot deal, diary? Yeah, come talk about come up to the plate. Me could have want 2 blood clot $100. Desperately like that and gangster for find that and give me. This a one friend. If I even stuck his shot for blood clot borrowed from, I go get it. And you don't come around with me and my friend blood clot name about 2 pussy blood clot $100. And you don't do that. The whole of just bad mind is Bigfoot blood clot woman I can't to uno. The woman foot big. The woman that wear red bottom and her things them. And who really vex? You want to me say so we Jamaican people are going to really blood clot live? And so we are going to live where? We come America, we leave Jamaica. Some leave long time. And we come pave the way. And we come get fuck up first. And we turn fool to America first. God jail get careless waste whole heap of blood clot time. And we say I get it together time now. You think me could have really see somebody with the America all longer immigration to the things them. Try the business and fight to keep them head above the water. Have them put on a bag on them hand for $1,500. On the head hurt, you know? Really? Me am one big bad blood clot with dirty blood clot thinking pussy Tuffy go suck out who you want suck out. You can't get up 40 blood clot days. Cause you can't even live like up blood clot dog. As crumbs up a give off our table, bitch. Cause woman and a family at Jamaica will need it like you. And if your ear said, Dan, he never want me gain a blood clot money, this is the reason why she never want me gain a blood clot money. Because he's a dirty blood clot beggar. He's a nothing. Some of the whole of them are come go on like say, me say, Kim, you could have give her $1 million blood clot dollar. The demon, the anana body. Una this demon, ugly blood clot, girl, can make compound alive. Come raise her blood clot vice. And go like share on a body. Share on a body to we a US dollar with blood clot spend. Pussy the body not give it nothing that they got change. When they tell me Sunday at school I want 3,000 blood clot dollar for him balance and college pussy clot money diary. Me know if I call my contractor and go work for a week or 2 and get that pussy. Me no love work, but when situation come and me have to go put in the work, I go put in the blood clot work. Dirty girl of misery, my blood clot then a white people restaurant for $20 an hour. Where the pussy blood clot you come talk about. Big things with head there. So now I want to bring Tuffy come go and I say Tuffy has somebody. Tuffy have to sleep and dream which blood clot mix up and which news you want to carry to who. For eat her food. And you Tuffy now come to. You know me come on the internet and me talk, me not tell lie. Bitch, you tell lie for my blood clot friend. Cause the first bomber clot lie I see you tell. Oh, don't tell Hope say, no give you no box. Pussy and me tell Hope say, no give you no blood clot box. Until you go for diary, crab woman, mama blood clot picture, bitch. Now you come tell us you have everything pan diary. Pussy and me tell Hope for all the blood clot box. And Hope never hope it, hold it and appear in a mind. and send box blood clot come see me. You see the next $50 where your blood clot beg me bitch. Me not tell you say you forgot you a circle for the woman blood clot picture. Eh? Pussy we don't send you out. Go suck your man. You think you can come on the internet come stand on a big time blood clot friend them? Pussy already you. You think nobody can pay no amount of blood clot money to come rub blood clot up? Yeah, you dirty bad mind friend them. Pussy when we money enough we are going to travel and go out with the things them. I saw no plan for eat the whole away. True with things. Yeah, run up and down from life to life. Run up and down from life to life with people blood clot and you're insecure. Cause you want beg for your hungry belly blood clot pitney them. Pussy when you call me and tell me say you want $40 because your baby want feeding and your baby want this. Bitch when me send you $100 and that my friend never want me give nothing. Cause we are in a blood clot friend. You're ugly in a blood clot. You gonna call it. None of them are. So the China come run, come pan live and come skin her teeth. Dirty chin come talk about the $1,000 where you talk about my blood clot friend Barrow. Where you can't show no receipt for. And that if a pussy blood clot come out. Hello. Yeah. And that enough for come down. Me not hold me long, me talk to them dirty people here. We go and like say people not to live good in a blood clot America. On no move and go. You know some awful. And when the awful time for come out, my son, me go show no son no mother awful no blood clot. In front of everybody. The whole of we are in a bomber clot body. The whole of we are trying to have blood clots and hope have it first, so be it. I see him to the wrong, go carry the woman name to Kim. Ramping shop blood clot name for Kim. Wanna forget to that dirty Tuffy. Anytime you see the people that live good and wear the good things and not go on, you're wiggling yourself like a blood clot snake. Move and go. None of uno. Tuffy me say you piss me off when me listen to you come. I talk over my gangster blood clot friend about how me and Dana take no tea pussy. Two men at the party and me at the all blood clot but my friend is that blood clot girl. I want to know. When I want to come tell me my bad man, my blood clot friend for her body and her this and her that. She's that blood clot girl. Me not busy the way she hope blood clot have anything hope give me blood clot from she give her glasses or she give her blood clot cologne. My friend are that girl. Who not go pay for high blood clot company. Cause if she talk her up now mouth she need her, she want to know want full the blood clot slot. Fear. You know what you say girl from England them give my friend things too. You know yourself, Vibes Cartel said, my friend is that blood clot girl. None of uno. Can't make me a gangster have nothing. You come on live and come talk low about two shouldn't lend me $200 for go buy bleaching cream and a face thinner blood clot. Bad to body, dirty blood clot man used to give me a money on my party to out and him worried me about party life and kill his blood clot life. And me say time for a change. You ever hear down all the white dancer she done with bagga? Me never blood clot done yet. Me might pause cause me a big woman and sometimes I have to go up and menopause, yes. You have to pause for some of the things. Every time people pause and low, you know, when they try to draw it out, we're ready for run out back from the whole of uno blood clot. Uno don't call me name for use my name and cuss nobody. Me owe my loyalty to my friend them. Me loyal like that. Anton, me don't even like hear your blood clot voice on the depend live with. bumbo clad Tuffy like you can't try in a case to we America. Pussy a US dollar me and my friend them spend. On a bright. Who can't serve. Who can't think they no case for we. Who can't try case for me and blood clot down. Who go. Go from here so with that. Me and my friend not do bad blood clot living. My friend knows say her friend awful, yes. My friend have to chat me with people, yes. Cause sometimes when me don't want to listen, she finds somebody else to talk to her with blood clot listen. Any friend I'm have when I chat me and my friend. If me and my friend can chat so much blood clot, people don't feel like we're going to chat one another sometimes. Because sometimes we are human blood clot being. So if Dan want to come make Tuffy make sure I think about story when a blood clot straight from rlean. Pussy, me and bumbo clot. Hope can't talk about blood clot you. Hope if you complain to me about you. With nothing where she no blood clot like. And I have this dirty blood as the people want some fixers in their apartment can go through the blood clot door. Cause dirty blood clot Tuffy. You can't sentence me blood clot friend who bumbo clot Cameron. Go suck on a mother. You know out of order in a blood clot but the woman send. 7 bills got girl at prison. None of we know who kill blood clot and we are fuck Yankee. We are mixed up with pussy blood clot Yankee. Yes, we have American kids. Who just want sell out and throw the woman under the bus for a Costa Rica blood clot trip. Who no too bad blood clot have nothing. We live in America over 20 years. We have to blood clot have something. We not stop try till we have blood clot something and we want out of this mercy. And it's a house. Because we're ready to say Jamaica will refinance the one of blood clot America and buy Jamaica one. Pussy we mash up America and build it back. So we're done where you come make Tuffy come spoil blood clot, spoilers up. Spoilers, me blood clot. If your head are hurt right now and you call in, I think Tuffy can run from spoilers, blood clot come. Man, you make people say you're jealous of blood clot open our things them. What if we can't buy the things them hope can blood clot buy? Hope now the 95. Hope them pass them blood clot stage there. I don't even pass 95 say come go work for 12 hours with blood clot there. For 5 days a week. Because my son want change him infinity to a blood clot Benz and I make go work the next 6 grand. Pussy when me I got laundromat to that big fat Benz struck me in her. Me if you come on social media come boast by them something there. Then there's something we can take people blood clot life. When I move and go when I live with life for people. Me not live my life for suit no blood clot people. That's why me I get to that man and me blood clot have the one steal me joy. And him send for me come America. Then I come make Tuffy back you up on life like Tuffy knows something about blood clot we. Eh? You come make Tuffy back you up on blood clot live. Me say me this ugly water lizard, ugly blood clot mode, bumbo clot girl. But me I tell you say hope if you not follow me, we not deal with low